Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make an E to open a frame GUI. Frame, so just like this. Just like that, okay? It's actually really simple, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna delete this. And now I'm gonna go to start GUI, make a screen GUI, and I'm gonna name it to open GUI. It doesn't really matter what you name it, open GUI. And then I'm gonna click that plus icon again. I'm gonna make a frame. And then I'm gonna center it in the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna make the background transparency to around grayish, yeah, grayish. And I'm also gonna make the frame obviously bigger because it kind of looks too small. And why is it doing that? Sorry. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a UI corner. So UI corner, I'm gonna make it around 0.1. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a text label. You don't have to do this. I'm just gonna put it like there. I'm actually gonna make this bigger. Yes, I'm gonna make it bigger because it kind of looks small. And I'm gonna get the okay, and then I'm gonna move a bit up, and then I'm gonna move it like that and like that, and then I'm gonna get the background transparency to this, and then I'm gonna get. Actually, I'm gonna make it a bit lighter because it's kind of dark. Yeah, like that. And I'm actually gonna add it to custom colors. Yes. And then I'm gonna write. I'm gonna actually make this frame to white. Okay, and I'm gonna actually make this much bigger. Not much bigger, but just bigger. And okay, and then I'm gonna make a frame. I'm gonna make a UI stroke. I'm gonna make it 1 3, and then I'm gonna get the text label. I'm gonna make a UI corner. I'm gonna copy and paste that. UI corner 0.2, and then I'm gonna copy and paste the same thing. UI stroke and constellation. I'm gonna change that to border, and now I'm gonna go to the text label. I'm gonna go to the text. I'm gonna make the social font facing equal to Vedika 1. I'm gonna make the text equal to text, and then I'm gonna make the text color to white, and then I'm gonna make text scale equal to true, and then I'm gonna get the US stroke again. I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm gonna make it to confidential. If I said that wrong, just please tell me. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna make the frame visible to false. Okay, now let's make a local script and let's name it to open script. It doesn't really matter. You can keep it as local script, but I like to name my scripts. And anyways, let's write define the user. Let's first define the user input service and the place. So let's write local. I cannot type local user input service equals to game colon get service, and then brackets, and then go write user input service. Okay, and then now let's actually define the place. So let's write local players equals to game colon get service players, and then let's define that's it for this. And now let's define the place. So let's write local player equals to players dot local local player, and then let's define the open GUI. So let's write a local open GUI equals to player dot dot player GUI colon wait for child open GUI. So basically whenever the player joins, okay, so let me explain why I'm doing this stuff instead of just writing whatever. So script of parent and then frame, or I mean script of parent, okay. Instead of doing that, so if you see, if I delete, okay, if I make this visible, okay, visible. So if I just make it visible, why does it not be visible? Anyways, if I delete this, okay, it will still show, because if I go to players and then players, then my thing, it whenever like something, anything in the start GUI that is a screen GUI will immediately clone itself into the player GUI. So yeah. Anyways, that's why. Anyways, let's write let's let's write user input servers called dot import began colon connect function, and they're gonna pass through a argument which is input. And then now I'm gonna write local. I'm gonna write if statement. So if user input servers colon get focus text box, then I'm gonna write return. So we're gonna return. But if it's not that, then we're gonna actually write if import if import dot key code equals to enum dot key code enum dot key code dot e, okay, e, or yeah, e, then we're gonna write if open GUI dot frame dot visible equal to false. Then wanna do open GUI dot frame dot visible equals to true. And then if it's not, then we're gonna write else. Then we're gonna write else open GUI dot frame dot visible equals to false. Okay, and then let's play the game. And okay, so now I'm walking and I press the E key, it's working, and if I press it again, it gets out. So that's the end of this video. Have a great time.